I've been hearing a lot of people talk about how Piment Doux Serum give them black patches, white dull, and skin reactions. But the truth is that Piment Doux Serum is very good if you know how to use it properly, and if you are using the original, you won't get any skin issues. In this video, you're going to learn how to spot the fake and original Piment Doux Serum. You're also going to learn how to properly pre-mix Piment Doux Serum without having irritations. So watch this video to the end to be able to learn how to pre-mix Piment Doux Serum without having any skin reactions. Hello, welcome to Nero Organics. I post organic and promising skincare tips and recipes every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So Piment Doux Serum is cotonou serum. Sorry, not a cotonou serum. It's a Cameroon serum which is based from fruit acids. This is mine, and it's yellow in color. Yeah, mine is already finished. I already used it. I will insert a picture. There's a wrapper on it. I removed the wrapper. I will insert a picture on it. The Piment Doux Serum can be used to remove dark spots, can be used for dark underarm, dark inner thigh, can be used to lighten up the skin. I have to differentiate between the fake and original of Piment Doux. This is my Piment Doux. Okay, first of all, Piment Doux Serum is made up of a bottle and not a plastic container. Secondly, the cover is a metal cap, a gold metal cap with two silver lines. Look at the two silver lines. Look at the metal cap. I will be making a video soon on how to mix Piment Doux Serum for face to use removing dark spots on the face. You have to watch that video. Also, Piment Doux Serum is good for knuckles. I'll be making a video soon on how to clear your knuckles using Piment Doux Serum. So subscribe and turn on the post notifications if you would like to see that video. So please like these videos. How to properly mix Piment Doux Serum. You get a good base, a very good base, one that does not have chemicals like QEI. Don't use Dodo or Carotone or Clinicare. Make sure you get a very good base, and then you mix one bottle of Piment Doux, 250 ml of base cream. After turning your 250 ml from the base cream, the cream left, you use it as a maintenance cream after you are done with the one you mix with Piment Doux. That is how to do it. Personally, I like to make my own base. That is because I get to control the things that I put in my own base, and you get to know why it's important. It's best to use your own base very soon. I'll be talking about it in the next few minutes. Okay, this is why people get irritations on their skin or skin reactions when they use Piment Doux. They use bases that are not compatible with the serum. Piment Doux is an acidic serum, and if you check the pH, it's about pH 2 to 3. You need a base that is compatible with it, and also the ingredients too. There are some ingredients that are not compatible with each other because of pH and a bunch of other things. For example, if you go and get a base that contains niacinamide or vitamin B3, niacinamide does not work in the same pH range as the pH range of the active ingredients in Piment Doux, which are fruit acids. Okay, there will be a clash. And another thing, when people get their finished pre-mixing Piment Doux with the base, they don't check the pH to know if the cream is properly balanced. Okay, when you are done mixing your Piment Doux with the cream, you should check the pH, and if it's not balanced, balance it to pH 4 or pH 4.5. Okay, that is the safe pH. That is the pH of human skin. So that is the pH that any cream you are putting in your body, whether for customers or for yourself, that is the pH it should be. And if your cream properly pH balanced, it will not cause you reactions. That is why I like making my own base, because then I get to control the things that I put inside the base, and I know that there's no much. I know what is inside, and I know how to work it. Why if you are buying base already made lightening cream to use as a base now, they might tell you, oh, so these are the ingredients that are inside, but some companies they lie. They put hydroquinone in their product, but they don't list it there. They don't tell you there's hydroquinone inside. And if you know the smell of hydroquinone, you can tell when you smell it, you know there's hydroquinone inside the cream, but then it's not written. That is another thing. Okay, you're not there. You can't always trust these companies and just take their words for it. That is why I like using guidelines. Okay, when you want to use the cream that you have mixed, make sure you use it preferably at night. Okay, and after you finish using it, please use your sunscreen. Protect your skin. If you use sunscreen, you will love your skin. I'm ordering for my sunscreen. I'm going to be making a review very soon, so please subscribe and turn on the post notification if you don't want to miss that sunscreen video. I'm going to be making a video reviewing cheap sunscreens for the broke people like us. Another thing to note, while using a lightening cream, I would advise you to use it just like from like Monday to Thursday, and then the other days of the week you find a moisturizing cream so your skin can breathe, and make sure you exfoliate also. Exfoliate between 2 to 3 times a week. Personally, a lot of people use scrub, but personally I prefer using chemical exfoliants. I feel like they are a lot more effective. So if that's something you would like to see, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss that video. Alright, thank you for watching. If you know someone that will benefit from this video, please share this video to them. Watch this next video coming up. Bye. Hello, welcome to Untitled Organics. Hello, welcome to Untitled Organics.